Where? 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 I bet I need all of them just to make it annoying. Well, I do believe I'm quite skilled. Oh no, it's not over. Wait. Because there's stuff. Do I need any health? Yes, I do. So I guess I should get some. Where does it even come out of? What a hideous oversight. Or something. Dodgy. Oh, you do need 6. Which means I've got to go through this again with the other 2. It's not very fair. Especially when it's semi-luck based to get them past the front door. Kind of. Well, not really, but... What the heck is going on in the chat? I see very awkward things being said. And why is this here? Whoop whoop. Giganto-splosions. Right. Right. They're everywhere. Good, that wasn't too bad, I guess. I swear, if one of you falls off the edge, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna end the stream soon anyway, though. Probably as soon as I'm done with this planet. What time did I start? Yeah, I've been going about 3 hours now. If you don't count all the time messing about with the stupid glitchy finger in the hole. Enter, I mean attack, don't enter it. It's invincible. Why am I not invincible? I'm a robot just like them. I also just kind of feel like my commentary is going a bit downhill and boring, so I think it's probably a good idea to stop soon. Not that it has to all be about commentary, I suppose. But still. Oh, blue, blue. Oh. You were invulnerable a minute ago. Oh, they're back already. Well, some of them are. The good ones. It's like Overlord with robots instead of goblins. I might have said that yesterday as well, actually. Well, not yesterday, the day before. Whoa, we made something shoot stuff for some reason. Don't know about anyone else, but I kind of expected that would just open the door next to me, which I guess it did as well, but well, that's a multi-talented thing that I did. Yum! Why? I got a boring info, but gonna save it. Probably no point though, because even if it does mess up, I'll have to do that whole thing again. Whoa! Never seen this before.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Why not? What was it showing? I guess it was showing Ratchet in the shower. It's a good job we didn't see it either then. Right. I guess I'll go to the next planet so I know what I'm doing. And then I'll save it once I get there.
What do you have in there?
A belly.
Gears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our mission.
Is it something about Quark?
No.
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day.
Oh.
Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm water.
No.
The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea.
I don't like water.
You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
Well, I guess.
I Resort.
Whoa.
Okitaru.
I knew it.
So did I.
Come on, switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.
God! Angsty! Or something. But yeah, I guess the Pause Gaming animated adventure sounds interesting. Can I explore as Ratchet now? No, you're not getting out, are you? Whatever then, twat. Ruining my game with your moodiness. Not going to Pokitaru anyway, we're going back here so we can use the magnet stuff. Because it's too gassy there or something with the green goo. I guess. Well, yeah, I guess some of those corridors were filled with green gas. as in dragon fart. Alright, we'll save it here and call it a stream, because that's what it's been, a stream. And we'll check the shop. Oh, Vizzy Bomb.
I got some great bargains for you.
No, you haven't, because if it was great, I'd be able to afford it. Man, boom. I'd say your animation style is good enough. You seem to be very good at animating. But anyway. Yes, chlorine isn't very nice.